Hello dear students, myself Mr. Bhavesh Amrute, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, KKO College of Pharmacy, Nasik. Today we are going to learn preparation of suitable solute derivatives from organic compounds, that is nitrate derivatives. Derivatives Derivatives are a compound that can be imagined to arise or actually be synthesized from a parent compound by replacement of one atom with another atom or group of atoms. Derivatives are used extensively in organic chemistry to assist in identifying compounds. Learning outcome: upon completion of this practical, students are able to know the procedure for nitrate derivative preparation, understand the reaction involved in nitration reaction, precautionary treatment and first aid measures while handling nitric acid. Requirement: apparatus, beaker, measuring cylinder, glass funnel, pipette, etc. Chemical requirement: urea, concentrated nitric acid, etc. So let us see the procedure. 0.5 gram of urea, add 4 ml of water, 1 ml of concentrated nitric acid and stir well. Filter the crystalline urea nitrate. Caution while using nitric acid is because nitric acid is extremely corrosive acid capable of causing severe chemical burns very rapidly. Observation table: name of the chemical, molecular formula, quantity, melting point, appearance. First one is urea. Molecular formula CH4N2O. Quantity we require 0.5 gram. Melting point of urea is 133 to 135 degrees Celsius. It is a white crystalline solid. Second one is nitric acid. Molecular formula HNO3. We require 1 ml. Its melting point is 42 degrees Celsius, minus 42 degrees Celsius. It is a colorless yellow or red fuming liquid. It is a urea and it is a nitric acid. Nitric acid safety, handling and first aid. When handling nitric acid in the workplace, wear chemical safety glasses, a face shield for splash protection, gloves and an approved vapor respirator if adequate ventilation is not available. As an added safety precaution, eye wash stations and washing facilities should be easily accessible. In the event of exposure to nitric acid, follow the first aid guidelines. While inhalation, seek fresh air and immediate medical attention. While eye contact, immediately flush eyes with plenty of water for at least 15 minutes to prevent further damage. Seeking medical attention immediately as well. While skin contact, immediately flush affected area with plenty of water for at least 15 minutes. Remove the contaminated clothing and wash with soap. Immediate medical attention is required. While ingestion, do not induce vomiting. Rinse mouth with water and give a glass of water or milk. Never give anything by mouth to an unconscious person. Seek medical attention immediately. It is a reaction for preparation of nitrate derivative. Urea, when treated with nitric acid, it gives urea. Practically, preparation of suitable solute derivatives from organic compounds, that is the urea nitrate. It is also form of nitrate derivative. So let us see the requirement for this practical. First is apparatus for this practical: beaker, measuring cylinder, glass funnel, pipette, etc. For chemicals, that is urea, concentrated nitric acid. Let us see the reaction of this practical. When urea is reacted with concentrated nitric acid, it gives urea nitrate. So let us see the requirement: test tube stand, pipette, glass funnel, beaker, filter paper, measuring cylinder, tripod stand, rubber bulb and test tube holder. Requirement: urea, concentrated nitric acid and the distilled water. So let us see the actual practical for preparation of nitrate derivatives. In test tube, add 0.5 gram of urea, then add 4 ml of water. After that, add 1 ml of concentrated nitric acid. Stir well for few minutes. So after stirring few minutes, we filter the crystalline urea nitrate. After filtration, we obtain the crystalline urea nitrate. So let us dry for few minutes. After drying, we obtain the crystalline urea nitrate. Theoretical yield calculation: 60.06 gram of urea gives 123.068 gram per mole of urea nitrate. 0.5 gram of urea gives x gram of urea nitrate. X is equals to 123.068 into 0.5 divided by 60.06. Theoretical yield is equals to 1.025 equal to 1.03 gram. Result: molecular formula of urea nitrate is CH5N3O4. Theoretical yield 1.03 gram. Practical yield 1 gram. Percentage yield 76.92%. Melting point 157 to 159 degrees Celsius. So let us see the synopsis. First question is, write a reaction for nitrate derivative preparation. Second is, write precautionary measures while handling nitric acid. First question is, write a reaction for nitrate derivative preparation. So let us see the reaction. Urea, when treated with nitric acid, it gives urea nitrate. Formula for urea is CH4N2O. Its exact mass is 60.03 and molecular weight is 60.06. Nitric acid, HNO3. Exact mass of nitric acid is 63 and the molecular weight is 63.01. Urea nitrate, CH5N3O4. Exact mass of urea nitrate is 123.03 and the molecular weight is 123.07. Second is, write precautionary measures while handling nitric acid. Answer: when handling nitric acid in the workplace, wear chemical safety glasses, face shield for splash protection, gloves and an approved vapor respirator if adequate ventilation is not available. As an added safety precaution, eye wash stations and washing facilities should be easily accessible. In the event of exposure to nitric acid, follow the first aid guidelines. Thank you.